Today is Tuesday, September 29th, and this is the Morning Breach with Scott Davis. The big news headline comes straight from Microsoft, as most of yesterday evening, starting roughly at 5:25 p.m. Eastern Time and into the overnight, Microsoft worked to restore services to its popular Microsoft 365 or Office 365 platforms, which includes email, the online Microsoft Office suite, Teams, Azure, Azure Active Directory, Power Platform, and Dynamics 365. If you were already logged in, you are good to go. So it could have been worse for Microsoft as they work to identify the issue caused in the authentication process. Microsoft at one point believed they figured it out, but after reverting a recent change, Microsoft announced we're not observing an increase in successful connections after rolling back a recent change. This outage should validate what I've been saying for months, that you need to know your cloud vendors and in your business continuity plans, have a plan in place on what happens and how you communicate if a cloud service like Microsoft 365 goes offline for some or all of your staff. If you're still having issues with Microsoft 365 services, visit status.office365.com for the most up-to-date status. Universal Health Services, a hospital and healthcare network with over 400 facilities across the United States, Puerto Rico, and the United Kingdom, suffered a ransomware attack Sunday morning that has taken down its digital networks at locations around the United States. Some facilities have had to reroute patients to other emergency rooms, and appointments and test results have been delayed for many patients as a result of the attack. A USH employee told Wired, "Paper is workable. There is just a lot more documentation to be done, so things don't get lost. Orders, medicines, etc." As of now, however, UHS is reporting that patient and employee data does not appear to have been compromised in the attack. Last week, the Morning Breach reported on a suspected ransomware attack of Tyler Technologies, one of the largest software providers for the government sector across the United States. Numerous clients have reported finding suspicious logins and previously unseen remote access tools like the BombGuard client on their networks and servers since the breach occurred. Tyler Technologies client, City of Tuscaloosa, Alabama, has reported a ransomware attack on the city's utility billing software, and online payments of water bills are temporarily suspended. It's not sure if the two are connected or not, but it is safe to say if you have in the past or are a current client of Tyler Technologies, you should complete a third-party audit of your environment and change any passwords that were on file with Tyler Technologies at the time of the breach. The rise of Internet of Things or IoT devices also opens the doors to ransomware attacks and data breaches. In fact, a security researcher was able to successfully deploy ransomware on a new smart coffee maker. It's bad enough to have your data locked, but not being able to get a cup of coffee in the morning is just plain mean. Every device on your network can be used to breach and attack you. And it only takes a single device with a security flaw to see all of your hard work in protecting your data vanish like that. The app TikTok appears to have been saved in the US markets and won't be banned from app stores just yet. TikTok was said to have national security concerns by the White House, along with the app WeChat, as the apps collected data from American users that could be retrieved by the Chinese government. If the United States was truly concerned about data privacy for its citizens, it really should look to establish a GDPR-like law which covers its states and territories which as of today are forced to create their own unique laws on managing and protecting data breaches. That includes notifications and what rights the consumer actually has in regards to their privacy. I would like to see this approach more than an approach of banning any app, website, or even book the current administration doesn't agree with. October is Cybersecurity Awareness Month, and the Morning Breach is a proud champion of the National Cybersecurity Alliance. We will be hosting events the entire month of October and are looking for partners like your MSP to sponsor an event with the Morning Breach. If you're interested in learning more about our sponsorship opportunities, email us at tmb@themorningbreach.com. If you've learned something new by watching this, please take a second and like and share the video. If you want to see more episodes of The Morning Breach or find useful resources in helping you secure your organization, please visit themorningbreach.com and follow along with us on Facebook and LinkedIn. As always, thanks for watching.